Hello everyone, today let's take a look at the topic of translating extensions in Joomla. We will be talking specifically about Phoca extensions. Some Phoca extensions, such as Phoca Cart, are very robust, and for instance, the Phoca Cart extension contains 4,250 lines of language strings. That is quite a lot, but the advantage of Phoca extensions is that the language strings are stored chronologically. This means you can take a language file and continue exactly where the last translator left off. This saves you a lot of time because you are usually only translating the most recent updates. But what should you do if a language pack for your language does not exist at all and you have to create it from scratch? Your first thought might be to have such a file translated using translation services or AI. That is a good idea, but it is not that simple. A translation file, for example for Phoca Cart, is truly massive, and you won't easily find a service that can simply translate the whole thing. Furthermore, translation strings contain many traps, HTML tags, hidden characters like newlines, various special characters, emojis, email variables, words that should not be translated, and so on. Therefore, if you find yourself in such a situation, you can contact us and we will create a basic package for your translation. As you can see in the video, this is created using local models and includes many different treatments for potentially problematic parts of the strings. And yes, the translation is not perfect at all. Compared to human-made translations, such as the German or Czech versions for Phoca Cart, where all strings are discussed at length to find the right expression, AI may not know all the necessary context. Such a newly created AI translation is very far from a perfect translation, but it can serve as a foundation for creating a more polished version. Having a basic translation can save many hours of time. So, if you need to translate any Phoca extension into a new language, feel free to contact us, and together we can create the foundation for such a translation.